I'm happy that as we move around, you can feel that the general public is now very enthusiastic about the party and about supporting the party. Wherever we're going, we are very happy with that. And this is the time you must be visible in the provinces, at the district level, at the branch level, at the village or cell level. Let us be very active. The youth and the women are very active. We are very happy with them. But also, now we have the war veterans, War Veterans Association. In a comrade, Ameva Garapao, the chairman Veduku Midlands, the chairman War Veterans Association. Abasa tried to introduction War Veterans Wing, say league, shall we? But we also now urge Wing Yema War Veterans to be active. And they join the Women's League, the Youth League being active. Now, if I may just make a quick comment, because we have something else to do elsewhere. Tatine serious issues, the economic issues. The price going up on a daily basis. Could Samara Takata discover when we investigated we discovered that there was abundant abuse ICT technology, abundant abuse. Phantom money is in a base. Air money had been created into our economy. Yangajishika $8.4 billion. Yangai snakwai sma accounts ma bank asichwa mphone. Anongo ba umwe takawana na 86 million. Asa hana pay boots. Asa mphone make 86 million. Waka wana be just creating. Canada and the foreign currency at any price because he's using or she's using phantom money. But takazo zuona tikabana. The exercise is still going on. We already have a list of culprits and mchazo wona takwenda kuma courts for prosecution. So as a result of that, there has now been a stabilization of the foreign currency exchange rate through the auction system. So, and that now again is translated into a stabilized pricing regime in the market. And as we go on, it shall continue to stabilize. Yes, of course, tine nya wamwangawasinga nzwisisi for a very well Tata Constitution yedu 2013 muna May, that's when we adopted our new constitution. New constitution yedu ino tikurumende Zimbabwe, we are obligated to pay compensation on improvements on land. We are not obligated to pay for any land which the former colonial settlers were using. They had stolen it from our forefathers. So we get back our land free. They never paid anything to our forefathers. We are getting it back without paying anything. That cannot change. However, our constitution demands that we pay compensation on improvements they have put on. But us as government have agreed that we shall not pay that compensation from taxing our people. Nada. We began the negotiations on that. Our team here was led by Vice President Chiwenga, nama technicians, nama lawyers. Vakatanga vari kuma 8 billion. Zavaida. It came down to 3.5 billion. And we've agreed that the 3.5 billion will be raised through mobilization of those funds to Europe. Kwete muno matiri aiwa. That is what is going to happen. And we are having positive response, both from Europe and in particular from the United Kingdom. Because so that is what has happened. There is no reversal on the issue of the land reform program. That is not going to change. It will remain our land with us. I want you to make that clear. Now, tine 3 categories of vanhu. Takabona kuti nema sanctions atinawo kune zvinhu zvoda kuti tikaita zvotobudirira. Chokutanga agriculture, chepiri mining, chetatu tourism and infrastructure development. Now, ku farming tine ava nemaprazi akakura imwimwi ndi mashefu acho mune maprazi akakura. Tave tine command agriculture yatai finance takairegera manje. It is now being run by the private sector, by the banking sector. Takawirirana. So you go there and get your loans. Again, the loans on the conditions as the banks see fit, you get your loans. Cause of a second category, ndeye vanhu vane minda doko, vane ng'ombe kana madhongi, asi havana capacity yokutenga mbeu, fertilizer nema chemicals. Avo tine presidential input scheme, tinovapa free inputs, ava hapana chikwereti. The same with cotton. Cotton is given free, hapana chikwereti. Because what the third category, hana munda mkuru, hana tractor, hana ng'ombe, hana dongi, munhu zvake asane kandima kadika ripo, tikati heyo pfumvudza. Hauchachemi kuti handina tractor, hauchachemi kuti handina ng'ombe, woona maziso namavoko nemakumbo, pfumvudza pfe. Saka hakuna anosara kunze panyaya yokuti tirime chikafu mukati menyika. Vepfumvudza tinovapa mbeu nefertilizer nemishonga yavanoda, vorima according to the Pfumvudza script kana Pfumvudza program. Vane minda yakati kuti vanorima ng'ombe dzavo kana chiku, tinovapa futi free inputs vorima. Vane minda mukuru maloans avanobhadhara. Saka we are determined kuti no more Zimbabwe should not again have insecurity ye food. Tine program yokuvaka madhamu countrywide, province by province, tokuvaka madhamu. Tiri kuita izvi nokuti voku agriculture vanotiudza kuti tinoda X number under X number yema hectares under irrigation. Tikasita number iyoyo tiita irrigation, whether mvura haina kunaya kana mvura yanaya, we are guaranteed to have food security, and we believe that within the next 2 or so seasons tinenge tava enough hectarage under irrigation guaranteeing us food security. Kana it's a plus. So again, we have programs to make sure we are food secure in the country. tobva ipapo kumining tine program yokuti by 2023 tinenge tava ne12 billion mining sector. Tina big companies ku platinum, ku gold and other minerals. All those sectors, we are addressing them, and we are on course in terms of our program. Our Minister of Mines is on course.